Struggling to stay focused? Feel like your motivation is on a roller coaster? Well, what if I told you the secret to unlocking insane discipline and productivity isn't some complex life hack, but understanding a tiny molecule in your brain called dopamine? Let's dive in. Dopamine is often called the feel-good chemical, but that's a bit of an oversimplification. It's more like the motivation molecule. It's what drives you to seek rewards. Think about it. When you get a notification on your phone, that little ping releases a hit of dopamine, making you want to check it. When you eat a delicious piece of cake, dopamine makes you want another bite. It's what makes scrolling through social media so addictive. Your brain is getting a constant, easy stream of dopamine hits without much effort. Here's the problem. Our modern world is a dopamine minefield. Social media, video games, junk food, endless entertainment. They all offer a massive, immediate dopamine rush. Your brain gets used to this high level of stimulation. So when it's time to do something that requires long-term effort and offers a delayed reward, like studying for an exam, working on a big project, or hitting the gym, your brain just isn't interested. Why would it be? Those activities provide a much smaller delayed dopamine release. It's like trying to get a kid excited about broccoli after they've just had a candy bar. It's just not going to happen. This is where the idea of a dopamine detox comes in. Now, you don't have to lock yourself in a dark room for a week. A dopamine detox is really about consciously reducing your exposure to high dopamine, low-effort activities. This allows your brain's reward system to reset. It's about recalibrating your dopamine baseline. When you starve your brain of easy, cheap dopamine, it starts to find pleasure in the things that actually matter, the hard things. So how do you actually do this? Start small. Pick one day a week, maybe a Sunday, and commit to no social media, no video games, no junk food, and no mindless web surfing. Instead, fill your day with low dopamine activities. Read a physical book. Go for a long walk in nature. Meditate, write in a journal, tidy up your living space. Have a real face-to-face conversation. Yes, it will feel boring at first. You might even feel restless or anxious. That's your brain craving its usual fix, but push through it. What happens after you do this? The magic. When you go back to your work or your studies, you'll find it's not as boring as you remembered. Your brain, no longer overstimulated, is now able to find satisfaction and motivation in the task at hand. The feeling of completing a chapter or finishing a workout will suddenly feel incredibly rewarding because it's the biggest dopamine hit your brain has had all day. You're essentially training your brain to associate dopamine with effort and accomplishment, not with passive consumption. This isn't about eliminating fun from your life. It's about being intentional. Instead of letting your dopamine levels be controlled by algorithms and corporations, you take back control. You decide what's worth your attention and energy. By managing your dopamine, you're not just building discipline. You're fundamentally rewiring your brain for success and long-term happiness. You learn to enjoy the process, not just the outcome. Think of it like this. Your ability to focus and be productive is a muscle. And right now, it might be out of shape because it's been fed a diet of digital junk food. A dopamine detox is like putting that muscle on a healthy training plan. It's tough initially, but the strength and endurance you build will change everything. You'll stop procrastinating, you'll finish what you start, and you'll find genuine joy in your personal growth. So I challenge you. Try a one-day dopamine detox this week. See how it feels. See how it changes your perspective on Monday morning. You have the power to master your mind, not be a slave to its cravings. Start managing your dopamine, and you'll start managing your life. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more content on building a better, more focused life. See you in the next one.